There's a strict legal framework governing how an investigator accesses these records. Part 3 of the Investigatory Powers Act of 2016 provides the legal framework for the obtaining of call data records. Sections 60A to 61A provide several ways that a public authority can be authorised to access data from a telecommunications system. For these purposes, that means the mobile network run by one of the mobile network companies. For purposes of Part 3, a public authority is one of a number of organisations listed in a table in the Investigatory Powers Act, or a local authority. The first is a straightforward communication schedule. So these contain the most useful parts of a call data record, which might change depending on the type of investigation being carried out, the type of offence being investigated. But usually they contain the type of contact, the initiating telephone number, the receiving telephone number, the duration of a call, and the outcome. They're often combined with other sources of evidence, such as key events in the case chronology, material taken from mobile telephone downloads, or automatic number plate recognition hits. They're usually color-coded, assigning a different color to each person. And each row is numbered for ease of reference. In this slide, we can see a very basic example of a communication schedule, just looking at some call data records. Another use of cell site evidence is what's called co-location. So similar to the travel of a mobile device we've just looked at, but co-location looks at whether two devices can be shown to travel or be together. And this can be particularly useful. The evidence points to a suspect making use of a dirty phone, so a phone used for criminality, but at the same time making use of a clean phone for normal legitimate purposes, for example, to contact his friends and family on, as anyone normally does with a normal personal phone. If the two phones, the dirty phone and the clean phone, travel together, it can suggest that both those phones are being used by the same person.